Hello and welcome. I'm Leanne Locken, spokesperson for Bohai Pharmaceuticals Group, and today I want to share with you what we believe is the potential for our company as we seek to grow our business and capitalize on China's significant recent growth and its expanding healthcare industry. Bohai is based in China, one of the world's strongest engines of growth, whose economy continues to display robust resiliency. Over the past 30 years, China has been the fastest growing major economy in the world, with an average annual GDP growth rate over 10%. In 2009, despite the global economic downturn, the Chinese economy grew at a rate of 8.7%, outpacing other world economic powers by a significant margin. Today, I want to introduce you to Bohai Pharmaceuticals Group, an up-and-coming emerging growth company created to capitalize on China's rapidly expanding healthcare and pharmaceutical markets, in particular, the Chinese government's support of traditional Chinese medicine.
Although traditional Chinese medicine is thousands of years old, Bohai's product manufacturing and procedures are the most modern and up-to-date available. Our manufacturing is conducted in the city of Yantai in the Shandong province in a state-of-the-art 18,000 square meter facility that meets or exceeds the latest good manufacturing and good quality management practice standards, known as GMP in China.
Bohai is a profitable pharmaceutical company engaged in the production, manufacturing, and distribution of TCM products in China. The company recently went public in the United States with a concurrent $12 million financing in an alternative public offering, and is seeking to leverage this position to drive the growth of its business.
Currently, Bohai has nearly 600 employees, including approximately 300 that are engaged in sales and distribution in 20 locations throughout China. Utilizing this distribution platform, and combined with mass media and other marketing methods to build awareness of the brand, Bohai will seek to significantly grow our revenues and earnings. The biggest advantages of traditional Chinese medicines are that it's simple, effective, and less expensive when compared to other pharmaceutical products available. In addition, TCM has low toxicity, is effective at both curing and preventing various illnesses, and it is relatively easy to manufacture.
It is not primitive medicine. It's a very elaborate medical system, and it was developed over literally thousands of years by trial and error, by observation of what worked and what didn't work. It went through enormous evolution over those years. So what might have been something that was acceptable, say, 3,000 years ago, evolved, and today, the research that's going on using the best of Western science to understand why Chinese medicine works so well and why these herbs, when they're used in the right combination, have the effect they do today.
To provide you with a sense of the market, in 2005, total sales revenue for herbal medicine manufactured in China was $13.6 billion, accounting for over 29% of China's total drug industry profits. Revenues of this magnitude reflects the central role these traditional therapies play in medical care throughout mainland China.
In addition to hospital sales, over the next few years, Bohai plans to accelerate sales of our over-the-counter medicines through a broad assortment of consumer-driven media, including broadcast television, print advertising, and news releases.
For the Chinese, health is more than just the absence of disease. Bohai's products are a perfect example of this. For instance, Bohai's Lung Nourishing Cream is used on a daily basis to lessen the effects of asthma and other respiratory ailments in a country where pervasive national air pollution is an unfortunate byproduct of China's robust development. On a holistic level, each of Bohai's medicines is designed to be used on a regular basis to promote health and well-being, while focusing on a particular area of the body. Another Bohai product, Hongwei capsules, are taken regularly to treat various forms of arthritis and effectively capitalize on China's growing elderly population. As a result of China's increasing wealth and its aging population, it is estimated that by 2010, China will be the 5th largest market for pharmaceuticals in the world, exceeding more than $24 billion in sales.
One of the greatest things about traditional Chinese medicine, it's evidence-based medicine that has been in clinical trials evidence-based medicine that has been in clinical trials for 5,000 years. You can go to Beijing, to a library, and read formulas that were written over 2,000 years ago that are still used today and are still effective today.
Government protection of traditional Chinese medicine is a special feature in China, and this protection policy has been used for about 20 to 30 years. Why? Because if a TCM product is not protected, anyone can start producing it, and the variety and quality of the medicines and other aspects of the final product cannot be guaranteed. This protection policy is very important, and the government has placed a particular focus on this aspect of TCM.
Bohai is focused on generating increasing market penetration, utilizing the protected manufacturing status and national insurance coverage for certain of its pharmaceutical products. The company is committed to growing its revenue and earnings and plans to capitalize on recent PRC-mandated policies towards insurance benefits, which in 2009 alone will inject an additional $125 billion of government stimulus money into the healthcare system.
Bohai's in-house sales team and marketing initiatives have generated exceptional growth to date, which has been made possible through our focused strategy that emphasizes the protected manufacturing status and national insurance coverage for certain of our pharmaceutical products.
As we say in Chinese, 荣习结合是未来的方向, which means the integration of Chinese and Western medicine is the future.
Bohai intends to establish itself as a credible U.S.-listed Chinese operating company with an overriding commitment to earnings growth and shareholder value. And unlike with some traditional IPOs, Bohai has gone public at a relatively early stage, giving investors the opportunity to get to know the company before Wall Street discovers its potential. Over the next several months, you will be presented with the latest news from the company via press releases, investor videos, and quarterly conference calls. I encourage you to learn more about Bohai Pharmaceuticals by reading their filings with the SEC at www.sec.gov, as well as Bohai's website, which is complete with fact sheets, presentations, and video, and will be continually updated with the latest information on the company. Once you've done your due diligence, we hope you'll have a good understanding of Bohai and the traditional medicine industry in China. I hope you have enjoyed learning about Bohai Pharmaceuticals Group, its business model, and growth potential. Please visit us at www.bohaipharma.com. And thank you for joining us.